friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer 16-inch 4K OLED mobile notebook PC. So friend, Acer announced the release of a new 16-inch 4K organic mobile notebooks equipped with Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U processor, and this mobile notebook PC is lightweight, weighing only 1.17 kg and 12.95 mm and its thinnest point. And friend, it is use of magnesium and aluminum alloy housing. So friend, the display of the SFA16-41-A76Z is an organic panel which supports a wide color gamut display of DCI P300% and clearer black expression than a general liquid crystal panel, and it has been certified by TUV RHEINLAND for both high color quality and blue light suppression, and it is also packed with impressive specification including LPDDR5 6400, 16GB of memory, AMD Radeon Graphics, 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD with PCI Express 4.0x4 connection for storage, and IEEE 802.11 ABGN ACX for network. And friend, the notebook PC also features a 2 million pixel web camera, USB 4x2, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A into 2, headset speaker jack into 1, HDMI into 1, and more. And the OS pre-installed Windows 11 64-bit version. And friend, the battery is a 54-hour lithium-ion which offers a battery life of about 7.5 hours. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $1,200. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And